Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. This is a beautiful boat, just arrived. This one's going to be set up with the ice blue exterior and the navy blue stripe on it, white hull bottom, white topside on the deck. Starting out at the front here in the bow, we're going to have stainless steel windlass anchor. As we kind of work our way down the side here, you can see we've got this gorgeous hard top with the light blue underside of it that matches in with this ice blue side hull. Gorgeous little tube. We've got rod holders on that hard top. We have our port side dive door here, giving you the ability to have that access from this side of the boat. Really cool feature. Our navy blue Boston Whaler insignia on here. Coming around the back of the boat, this boat's also going to be equipped with underwater lights. So we have that on the back here, both sides. And we've got these massive twin 300 Verado engines in the back here giving us our power here, as well as we're going to have built-in trim tab system on here too. So we'll hop up on here and take a look at some of the features of the interior of this boat. So now moving to the interior of this boat, we'll start out at the back here. Just right off the bat, we're going to start out, we've got our live well in the back here. This is going to be a blue lined live well, nice big open, tons of space in there for all your fish. Lots of nice features. We're gonna have rod holders all around the back, so you've got good points for your rods all the way around. Once again, we've got these bright white twin Mercury 300 Verados in the back of here, giving you power to this boat. This is gonna be set up with shore power. We've got our wash down in the back here as well, so you've got that nice freshwater wash down right there. Storage under all of the floor throughout here, and your batteries in the back as well. So we've got massive amounts of storage in here. Battery switches right down, super handy, easy to get to. All of your power is going to be right underneath here. Everything's nice and easy to access right here, open. All of your power bank is right there. Underneath that side, we're going to have the same thing as over here, more storage. And can't forget about our flip out seat, giving you that extra space in the back of the boat here for entertaining guests and going out, having some fun out in the water when you're not using it for those fishing aspects. So it's a great extra entertaining area here, giving you that extra space. Folds right up, out of the way. Coming off to this side of the boat here, we're gonna have more storage underneath. This is also gonna have a lot of cool features. We're gonna have the grill on here, as well as the fridge. So we've got the refrigerator right here, and your grill with countertop that tucks away. Nice setup, giving you the ability to be out on the water all day long, cook food, be able to entertain, not have to worry about being hungry while you're out on the water. You're also going to have on this side here, convertible lounge. Multiple spots that you can have it accessed at. You have storage underneath all of it. So massive amounts of storage on this boat. Like I mentioned before, we've also got that light blue hardtop liner here, grab handles, giving you something else to hold on to when you're up busting across big waves. So coming through to the helm here, you're gonna have a 12-inch Raymarine dash on here. So you've got massive amount of graphics on here, giving you all the detail that you're gonna want and need. Then you've got your helm command and control over here. There's gonna be dual digital throttles for those 300s behind us, as well as the joystick. And that joystick's going to give you the ability to really walk this boat around anywhere you want to, just by the touch of the lever here. So it gives you that capability right there. Linko trim tab system on here as well. You're going to have the Fusion radio, as well as your Merc vessel view. So everything that you're going to really look for when it comes to electronics, things that you're going to want to have in your boat, so you're up to date with all your specs and everything, are all loaded on here. Massive head on here, so you've got great space in here. You have the ability to get down easily, use your facilities, get out, no problem, not tight and confined. Moving through, we've got a nice big open walkway up to our bow. We're gonna have drop down armrests on both sides. Nice comfortable layout up in the front here. Windshield closes over, surrounds you in. You've got the door that closes over as well, so it really closes this off, gives you a nice comfortable layout when you're out. When you're catching some spray, or it's one of those cool mornings or evenings and you're heading back to shore, gives you that ability to stay nice and warm when you're out in the water. There's going to be drop-down storage underneath all of this. We've got the bow filler cushion in here as well. More storage with your anchor up in the front, so you can work that remote for your windlass anchor. Overall, when it comes to the amount of features that are packed onto this 280 Vantage, I mean, this dual console is just loaded. It's a gorgeous boat, absolutely beautifully set up. This light blue is killer to look at. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Schedule an appointment to come check out this great brand new Boston Whaler 280 Vantage.